Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the ComposeWise. In today's English grammar lesson, we will learn about the number of nouns. We will understand singular and plural nouns, their rules, and important examples. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify and use singular and plural nouns correctly. So, what is number of noun? In grammar, number tells us whether a noun refers to one person, place, animal, or thing, or more than one. There are two types of numbers, singular number and plural number. Singular means one and plural means more than one. A singular noun represents only one person, place, animal, or thing. These are the examples of singular noun and they are used in sentences. A plural noun represents two or more persons, places, animals, or things. These are the examples of plural nouns and they are used in sentences. There are some rules to form plurals. Rule number 1. Most nouns become plural when we add s at the end. These are the examples of these rules. These are the examples. Rule number 2. If a noun ends in s, ch, sh, x, z, then we add es at the end. These are the examples. Rule number 3. If a noun ends in y and a consonant comes before it, then we remove y and add ies at the end. These are the examples. But if a noun ends in y and a vowel comes before it, then we don't remove y and add only s at the end. Rule number 4. If a noun ends in f or fe, then we remove f and add ves at the end. These are the examples. Rule number 5. Some nouns do not follow regular rules and change completely in their plural forms. These nouns are called irregular nouns. These are the examples. Rule number 6. There are some nouns which remain same in their singular and plural forms, which means they do not change. These are the examples. Now practice these examples and convert them into plural forms. Today we learned the number of nouns, including singular nouns, plural nouns, and the important rules for forming plurals. If you found this lesson helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the ComposeWise for more English grammar lessons.